So just finished up day one of the Drone Boss, and I gotta say I am literally blown away by how much information they give you coming out of just day one alone. I knew I was going to get some information on drones, which is extremely comprehensive going in regards to flying, testing, types of drones, and such. But the amount of time that they spend on entrepreneurship and marketing, I think is really what's got me blown away at this point. Already, just out of day one, I have better ideas on how to make money. I have better ideas on how to build my business, and we're really just getting into the best ways to market your business. And I am excited for day two, and really thankful that I took this course. And thank you, Drone Boss. Thank you, Diego, and see you guys today. So day two in the books, and I gotta say, the amount of time spent on how to get your first client, like immediately, getting more clients to expand your business, super comprehensive marketing strategy, hot buttons, hot buttons, hot buttons, baby. If you don't know what that is, you need to take this course. The amount of time spent on that is really just so valuable. And I'm so glad that I was able to take this course and really get that opportunity and this information, which is truly life-changing. I don't really know how else to put it. It could affect your life in so many different ways, how you see things, short of even just the drone business. But after day two, they really put a lot of information into how to build this business and how to build a successful drone business. And the amount of interaction that goes on in this video course is, again, unbelievable. I had made a comment in the middle of Diego talking, and he actually stopped what he was doing and took the time to go back on that comment and show me exactly how his marketing strategy still worked regardless of what I may have thought. But he really took the time to stop and break that down, and it was totally awesome. The only other thing I would recommend doing prior to this course is I wish I would have taken the VIP status, because the amount of information that they give you and the ability to actually be able to go back and listen to this recorded over and over, just to really drive it home, is something I would have done in the future. But again, super excited for day three, and I'm so glad I took this course, and thank you guys for offering it. And I'm looking so forward to building my successful drone business.